Hi, are you from India?
No, we're not.
Then from where are you?
I'm from Israel.
Israel. And how is Mahakumbh?
Wow, it's amazing. Such a special event, special experience. We're really happy to be here.
How do you feel, ma'am?
Oh, it's amazing, really. I know it's a once in a lifetime chance to be here because I think it's not only 12 years, but it's a 144-year chance.
What else you know about Mahakumbh?
I know that there was this
Snan.
Snan, and it all about Dhanvantari when he was bringing the Amrita. Then this point it was where the drops came down to the earth. So it's a holy place, and I'm really grateful to be here and to be possible to join it.
Are you also going for Snan?
I'm not, but she is.
Are you going to go?
Yes, yes.
Is it not too cold?
No, I'm used to it because I'm from Austria and there is snow and cold weather. So I hope it will not be too cold in the water.
So people say that when you go for a Snan or you go for a Dubki, all your sins go away. Is that what is in your mind?
I hope so. It looks special. It looks like every people here is like having a spiritual experience, and it looks really.
What is your high end of spirituality since you are in India?
Well, I'm Jewish, so but like the spirituality here is really existing in every place you go. I came from Varanasi, and it's like you can feel it in the air, you know.
So how is Varanasi? Do you liked it?
Yeah, I really liked it. It's special.
Did you enjoy the local food there?
Yeah, I did. I really like Indian food.
Indian food. Did you enjoy the local food there?
Yes, it's amazing. I was not in Varanasi. I came from Rishikesh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we met in the hotel, so that's why we are joining. And
Lovely. And do you know it's Pradhan Mantri Modi's constituency, Varanasi?
What? Sorry?
Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it's his constituency, Varanasi, where you
Really?
were.
Oh, I
Yes.
didn't know that. No.
So how is the arrangement in Varanasi and in Prayagraj?
It was hard getting here. There was a lot of traffic and a lot of traffic stops. But just seeing all those people coming together for a communal cause, it's honestly, it means something, you know? It must mean something.
So just for your knowledge, 45 crore people will be in Prayagraj during Mahakumbh. All the best to you. Hope you enjoy the spirituality. Thank you very much. Thank you. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि विदेशों से आए लोग भी किस तरीके से उत्साहित हैं. इजराइल, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और वहां से आने के बाद लोग यहाँ पर इस स्पिरिचुअलिटी को, इस अध्यात्म को, यहाँ के सनातन को, यहाँ की आस्था को जिस तरीके से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं.